2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Price, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Alfa Romeo brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Price, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Price, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe, new cars by. Even though this model has been popular and attractive for a long time, 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C will be the last model in class, according to rumors and manufacturers' announcements. Since the last model has not been really attractive and accepted among buyers, it is not hard to suppose why they decided to do something like this. But, as far we know, they will not stop with producing before they try everything they can to offer the best model they can, so let's say that this version is Alfa Romeo's swan song. Exterior. There are no clear descriptions and expectations of the look and design of 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C. As the manufacturer announced changes in engine and brakes, we expect different tires and wheels and softener suspension. That implies changes in the front end, with maybe larger grille, and also with different chassis at least in details. Interior. The inside of 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C could be the same as on current Alcantara, but it could be even sportier and modernized than we had on the last model. As the manufacturer announced using different materials, we could expect similarities with modern models in high class like leather on the seat and fiber in other parts of the cabin. Engine. The engine in 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C should be stronger and faster than on the last model since the last model had too slow and boring engine for the sporty car. As Alfa Romeo CEO Harold Wester said, there is only 237 horsepower of strength in the 1.75-liter engine in the last model, so there is space for more horses under the hood in the new model. We will expect better driving performances, too, and perhaps more acceptable numbers in terms of safety and economy. However, the first thing Wester said that will be changed is brakes, which were too hard before and prevented gentle and soft driving. Next model could be much softener for driving. We should expect carbon fiber in brakes and stable suspension, too. 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C release date and price. Releasing date for 2019 Alfa Romeo 4C is expected somewhere in the middle of next year, but whenever it be buyers will have what to be excited about. Since the last model Alfa Spider is already gone from the market, 4C is going to be the last two-seat sporty cars on the market next year that is made in Alfa Romeo. According to all we know, buyers will be satisfied with the last model in this class. Thanks.